In this problem, we are calculating the cost of electrical energy. Now, let's assume that the price per energy for electrical energy is $0.15 per kilowatt hour. Now, what kind of unit is kilowatt hour? Is that really energy? Watt is the unit for power, or kilowatt is also the unit for power, and hour is time. So when you multiply power by time, you get energy. So kilowatt hour is just another unit for energy. And again, the price per energy here is 15 cents per kilowatt hour. Now, let's say you have a 75-watt light bulb in your porch and you keep the light bulb on continuously all year, day and night, the entire year. The question is, how much would you pay for that? What would be the total price of doing that? So we need to calculate how much energy the light bulb dissipates the entire year. And the power rating of the light bulb is given, it's 75 watts. We need to multiply that by time to find the total energy. And we are going to calculate the total energy again in terms of kilowatt hours so that the kilowatt hours cancel, and we find the total price in terms of dollars. So here's my formula. Total price equals price per energy times total energy. Here I have substituted my numerical values. I highlighted total energy with pink. So how am I calculating it again? I'm multiplying the power of the light bulb by the time during which the light bulb was on. That's 1 year. And I want my units in terms of kilowatt hours. That's why I converted the watts into kilowatts. And I'm multiplying that by the number of hours in a year. So we have 365 days in a year, and each day is 24 hours. Days cancel for the time, and we are left with kilowatt hours. And then when we multiply by the price per energy unit price, kilowatt hours will cancel like so, and the final unit will be dollars, which is what we're looking for because we're looking for the total price. And when we do this calculation, we get $98.55. So this is the cost of having this light bulb on during the entire year. Now the follow-up question is, what is the cost of having a refrigerator run the entire year? Now the refrigerator has a power rating of 400 watts, and we assume that it runs 8 hours per day throughout the year. The calculation will be very similar. We just need to modify two things: the power rating. So 400 watts, that's 0.400 kilowatts. And we also need to change the number of hours in a day. Well, there are 24 hours in a day, but the refrigerator is running 8 hours per day. So instead of 24, here I need to put 8 and recalculate. And the cost of running this refrigerator the entire year is $175.2.